You might think you've seen China, but I've never seen anything like this. Every time I visit a new place in China, I'm left totally stunned at how much beauty is still out there waiting to be discovered. With one look, this place instantly earned a spot near the top of my list of hidden gems I found, and it might be one of the most vibrant lakes I've seen in my entire life. Here's a glimpse into our day exploring one of China's most colorful natural wonders, Blue Moon Valley. Our day began with a 1-hour car ride from Lijiang to Blue Moon Valley. My friend Melissa and I traveled here during Chinese New Year, so the roads were packed with holiday travelers, but the views waiting for us on this trip made it completely worth it. Once we reached the lake, it felt like we were transported into a fairy tale landscape. This space is home to dozens of white waterfalls and 4 turquoise lakes that are so vibrant they looked like something out of a movie. We slowly made our way along each lake to see the truly blue water and became more and more mesmerized with each moment that passed. She looks so beautiful. Look at her dress. How pretty. Mesmerizing to see such beauty in nature. I find it so inspiring to see and experience beautiful sights like this around the world. When we finally made it down to the water, we found out it was crystal clear. The shades of blue and turquoise reflected so beautifully in the sun in a way that felt nothing short of magical. I filmed a clip with my GoPro underneath the water to see the clarity and was met with a beautiful surprise of sunbeams shining through the water. One of the best parts about the day was the energy in the air. So many people had come to celebrate Chinese New Year here, and there was excitement all around. People kept coming up to us with big smiles to take pictures and say "Welcome to China," which is a phrase that I hear so often around my travels throughout the country. Melissa and I went to grab a snack and ended up getting caught in the line for the exit.
This is a little wild.
But we weren't done with our day yet. The real magic was yet to come because we were about to send my drone up in the air to see this lake from a whole new perspective. It was so much more spectacular than we ever could have imagined. Having the chance to see the lakes from above like this created a whole new layer of magic, and seeing the natural beauty that this area has to offer fills me with such clarity and perspective. Blue Moon Valley is definitely a hidden gem of China in my book. If you're looking for more hidden gems, check out these other videos from my travels, and subscribe for the adventure. I'm on a mission to explore the hidden corners of the world, and this is just the beginning.